How to stop WhatsApp call from silencing your iPhone music. Guys, when you have WhatsApp on your iPhone, there is tendency that when you have a WhatsApp call, it's going to silence your iPhone music while you play music on your iPhone. Now, here is what you need to do. Tap on the profile icon, then tap on privacy. Scroll down to the base of this page, tap on advanced. Now make sure that block unknown account messages toggle off. If your one is turned on, tap on it and toggle it off. So that's the first thing you have to do. The next thing you have to do is to go to the settings on your iPhone, tap on it, then go and tap on focus. Then from here, locate one of the focus you use, like the Jasper is on, tap on it. Now here, tap on apps. Once tap on apps, you have two options here: silence notification or allow notification from. So tap on silence notification, then tap on this add apps. Now here, locate and search for WhatsApp from list of apps here. Tap on this one, then tap on done. So you can see that WhatsApp is here. So it means once your focus mode is enabled and WhatsApp call comes in, you see that WhatsApp call will not silence your music on your iPhone. The last but not the least is to go to the settings button again and tap on it. Now come to this place, tap on notification. Then under notification, locate and tap on WhatsApp from the list of apps you have here. So let's locate for WhatsApp. Then go ahead and tap on apps. Tap on notification. Now from here, locate and tap WhatsApp from the list of apps you have here. Tap on it. Now make sure that sound toggle is turned off. With this simple setting, WhatsApp call will not be able to silence your music on iPhone. If you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.